What's up, everybody? Chiva Tech here with another video. Just want to say thank you, Amazon, for deciding to stop using plastic for your shipping packages and find something a little bit more sustainable. This video is more of an unboxing than an actual review because I'll have to use it to make my final conclusions. But I basically have been scouring the internet to find a solution for my AirPods, my iPhone, and my Apple Watch. This is a wireless charging station, and I got it off Amazon for about 40 bucks. Currently, I'm using this right here. It's a wireless charging stand, and it connects through micro USB. But I wanted something that was going to be able to do more than just my phone. And it's actually really hard to find a charging station that can do all three of these, but still give you the standing orientation of your phone. You know, I like to be at my desk, and if notifications pop up, I don't have to, you know, it's not flat. I don't really like those flat chargers because, number one, you kind of have to look for the coil, and you kind of have to maneuver it around. And number two, if you do get an incoming notification, you can't really read it, you know, because of Face ID. You have to unlock your phone. So these standing charging stations, I mean, the one that I've used in the past, the Sino, I was able to read my messages because Face ID will detect in that angle. This is all in one, so you get everything. That's why it's a little bit pricier. You get the stand itself, and you get the wall plug, which is very, very rare. Most of the time, these are really cheap because of that. So this comes with everything. It's not that much taller than the stand I already have. And this is the charger that it comes with. It is a quick charging adapter, but this is USB-C, which is also another bonus. In 2020, you just hate to use micro USB. So it tells you right here, the top, which is probably the Apple Watch, can do 3 watts max. The front can do 10 watts max, and the back can do 5 watts max, which is pretty reasonable. You can have your Apple Watch up here, your AirPods down there, and then your iPhone right here. So this is like a perfect solution. I'll have to see how it performs. Comes with a manual, kind of tells you how it works. It also has like a, I don't know if that's for a fan or just ventilation, but that's actually good to know. Your phone's not going to overheat. So let me find my AirPods real quick. Now I'm currently in between Apple Watches right now, so unfortunately I can't test that aspect of it yet, but let's plug it in. All right, turns green, and there we go. There's the magic. So it recognized my iPhone. These are my AirPod Pros. I'm actually have it in a Catalyst waterproof case. So let's see if that works. And it does. It turns on. All right, cool. There's a LED on the AirPod Pros. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me take it off and put it back on. There it is. And if I had an Apple Watch, I would set it up here, and it would charge that as well. Now, I do expect it to be more of a trickle charge. I don't expect it to, you know, give me some crazy fast charging speeds, but that's basically what this is all about. It's not necessarily about getting a fast charge. It's more about just having one place for all your things. And this is kind of more of like a nightstand solution, because you can just, at the end of the day, you put your AirPods here, your Apple Watch, your phone, and that's it. You're done. You wake up in the morning, everything's fully charged, and you're good to go, ready to go about your day. The cool thing about this, again, is you don't really, it comes with everything you need. A lot of these chargers, I've seen that it will come with, it'll say, you know, it can charge your Apple Watch, but you have to provide your own puck and your own like cable, and it just doesn't look good. So this one actually does have everything built into it, so you don't have to provide your own stuff. It even comes again with the power, the cube, and this. I'll probably end up just using my Apple charger, just because I'm a little bit scared about using third-party chargers. I have an iPad Pro, so I'll probably use that charger and that USB-C cable and see how my findings are, but I will obviously test it with the one that it comes with. It's just, I'm very uneasy about using third-party power adapters and cables. But if there is any questions that you have right now at the surface, just me opening and unboxing it, let me know. I'm sure a lot of people are looking for a similar situation or a similar solution. And I do plan on getting an Apple Watch pretty soon. I sold my Series 4 to buy a Series 6, so they should be coming in pretty soon. But yeah, thanks for watching.